JoJo Gnome and the Decorations. Auntie Molly was making lots of bunting for the Common Elf Games. "Can I make some?" asked JoJo Gnome. "Well, I've got some extra bunting here," said Auntie Molly. "Why don't you do some designs on it?" JoJo smiled. "I know just what I'll do," he said. What patterns do you think JoJo Gnome will make on the bunting? At Hampden School, this is what they thought JoJo Gnome would make. These were the children's ideas. What would you do? We all love JoJo Gnome.